In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure custom statuses in Zoho projects. Custom statuses let you mirror your team's real workflow so everyone sees the right stage on lists, reports, and Kanban boards. First, sign into your Zoho projects account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open settings. From there, navigate to Customization, then Layouts and Fields, and choose Tasks. This opens the Task Layout Editor, which is where the status field lives. If you manage project-level layouts, you can select those instead, but we'll focus on the task layout here. Inside the Layout Editor, find the status field in the Task Information area. Hover over it to reveal the Customize icon, then click it. A configuration window will appear. In that window, select the option to add a status. This is where you'll create the new status your team needs. On the Add Status screen, start by giving the status a clear, descriptive name, like Design Review or Pending QA. Short, specific labels work best because they're easier to scan in lists and boards. Next, choose the status type. Every custom status must be categorized as either open or closed. Open statuses represent work that isn't finished yet, such as to do, in progress, or waiting on review. Closed statuses represent work that's complete. These two default types can't be removed, and that's by design because they power reports and completion metrics. You can, however, add as many custom statuses as you need under either category. Optionally, pick a color for the status. Color coding helps teammates recognize stages at a glance on Kanban boards and in task lists, especially if your process has multiple review checkpoints. Choose a color that contrasts well with others you already use. When everything looks right, click Apply Changes or Add to save the new status. After saving, the status becomes available wherever the status field appears, so your team can select it on new or existing tasks. If you don't see these options, you may need the right permissions, so check with your workspace administrator. That's all there is to it. By aligning statuses with your real workflow and using clear names and colors, you'll keep tasks moving smoothly and make reporting more accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Zoho projects.